Alcohols are quite similar to hydrocarbons. If we have the hydrocarbon methane and replace a hydrogen atom with a so-called O group, that is one oxygen and one hydrogen atom, we get an alcohol called methanol. The molecules have the same first name, meth. The first name tells us how many carbon atoms the molecule consists of. The last name, ol, tells us that it is an alcohol. In other words, that the molecule has an O group. Methanol is used as fuel in model cars and certain race cars. Methanol is extremely toxic. If you drink methanol, you can go blind or die. If the alcohol has 2 carbon atoms, it is ethanol. That's the alcohol found in beer, wine, and spirits. Ethanol is also toxic. If you drink too much, it can harm your body, and in the worst case, cause death. Ethanol is used, for example, as fuel in ethanol cars, and as a solvent in factories. Let's move on to the next group, acids. Any organic acid has a so-called carboxyl group. It looks like this. The acid shown is called methanoic acid, but is also called formic acid. Some ants can produce formic acid and spray it on their enemies. People use formic acid in laboratories, among other places, and to preserve grass for livestock. Ethanoic acid is an acid with 2 carbon atoms. Another name is acetic acid. You have acetic acid in you right now. It is important for many reactions in the body. Acetic acid is very useful. Among other things, it is used to produce certain plastics, glues, paints, and medicines. You can also use acetic acid to make pickled cucumber or herring. The last group we will look at is esters. Esters are formed by an acid and an alcohol reacting with each other. Fats are esters that are formed when organic acids react with the alcohol, glycerol. Esters are also what give many fruits and candies their scent. This ester smells like pineapple, while this one smells like banana.